guys, welcome to my channel. If you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Uzi, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So today, I know I've been away for a very long time, but I'm not really going to get into that in this video. And PS, I'm shooting this video out of my house because that's where the light is good. And please excuse any background noise, flies and all that, but I'll probably do a voiceover in the middle of this video so that I can spare you guys the noise. So if you haven't subscribed, excuse me, why it's that red button down below, so please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, share this video around, and also follow me on all my social media platforms. They're Uzzymami, Twitter and Instagram. I'm not so big on Snapchat and Facebook, but Uzzymami for Twitter, for Instagram, it's down below. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So today I'm going to be doing my face before my eyes. I just want to see how that works out. So for skin prep, I'm going to be using my Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer, my LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange, as well as my Black Opal powder to set my face, using the powder before foundation technique because I really want a matte look. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys what I used as foundation. So I used my Black Opal foundation and Glam Girls foundation. These two foundations I've reviewed on my channel, and I'll link them in the description box or somewhere here, that I think. Yeah, so I didn't use a concealer. I just set my face using the Black Opal setting powder because I can't find my concealer. Not that it's anything serious. So I'm going to go in with my eyes, and I'm using this classic blush in number 5. It's an orange blush for my transition shade. Next, I'll be going in with my Zaron pencil in Black Velvet, and I'm just going to use this on my lid. So going in with my Naked 2 Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this black shade called Blackout to set the black pencil that I use to give my smoky eye look. Going in with a more tapered blending brush, and this one is from Sit Pretty Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand. I'm going to be using this brown eyeshadow from my Nude palette, the Balm Cosmetics Nude palette, and it's in the shade Fun. I'm just using this brown to blend out the black and the orange so there are no harsh lines. And going back into the first blending brush, the fluffier one, I'm just going to blend everything out together. So taking these two shades from my glitter eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be putting that on top of the black for some extra pop. One thing I hate about this palette is this pink flecks of whatever they put in here. Like, it pisses me off. Like, what's the point? I didn't ask for wrapping paper on in my glitter. Do you guys get? Like, wow, nawa. So I'm just going to do everything I did on this eye on the other eye, and then I'll come back and finish up the eye makeup and move on to the interesting part of this tutorial. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes. Now it's time for the Halloween part, the crazy part of this tutorial. So during the course of the week, I wanted to do a porcelain doll makeup inspiration, but I realized I didn't have the wig or hair to pull it off, and I didn't have a foundation that was way lighter than my skin, so I opted for a Voodoo doll. So I just used a black pencil, the same black pencil I used, the Zaron black velvet pencil, and I used it to draw a cross across my eye. So once you close it, it looks like, okay, yeah, that eye is closed. And I'm also going to draw a line across my contour line. So I used a dark brown as well as a black eyeshadow to just give it that intense contour. So I'm going to put a black pencil across of it as well on both sides, just to make for incisions on my face. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing throughout for now. Then for my stitches, I got this this sponge. It's what we usually use to wash plates. I'm sure you guys know it, don't for me, but I painted it, I spray painted it silver, so it kind of looks like staple pins or metal pins. So I just cut them into little bits like this, and I'll be using that as my stitches all over my face. So stay tuned with that. Like, this is gonna be late. So as you all know, a Voodoo doll has a heart. So yes, and I'll be trying to use this red pencil, I don't know the name, to see if I can. Okay, yeah, it's working. So I'm just gonna add some fake blood that I made using household materials. So I used dishwasher, that's sunlight. I used sunlight. I used pounder yam, like flour. I used pounder yam flour, flour. I didn't have flour, so I used pounder yam. I used pounder yam food coloring, as well as sunlight. Sunlight or morning fresh, one of the two, morning fresh or sunlight. I'll link it down below. And I used the yellow one and not the green one, just to dilute the red a bit. So that's how I was able to make my own DIY fake blood. So the disadvantage with this DIY blood is that it doesn't have that chunky coagulated form, and I think for you to get that, using gelatin and heating it up should be able to give you that consistency. So for my lips, I'm going to be, first of all, filling up my lips with this same black pencil from Zaron, and then I'll be coating it with my clean Slate cosmetics. So that's it, guys, for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it, And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share and comment down below what you like about this look the most. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because see, Instagram, I love you. YouTube, yeah, I love YouTube. Please, I'm still a growing shine, I'm still a growing YouTuber. Turn on your notifications so that anytime I post new videos, which I'll be doing quite often now, so every time I post new videos, please head your go subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.